All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is a very important day today because if you've seen some of our recent shorts, you know what's happening. It's the kickoff to the 2025 farm season, and we are getting the first 100 Cornish Cross Meat Birds for this year. In the shop here, we got everything all queued up. We got our 2 brooders set up. We got waterers, we got heat lamps, both. We also have feed schedules that we'll write down and put there. We got wood shavings in case we need them, and we got big old tub of chick starter. So that's gonna last us for quite a while, but today's the first day, so let's go to the post office and see what we got. So like I said earlier, this is the first 100 of the year out of 400 total. We did do 500 last year, but we're scaling it back a little bit. And this is also the earliest that we can receive them because here in New York State, we want to make sure that the temperatures are warm enough so it's easy when they're shipping and the chicks are warm enough when they're actually going from Pennsylvania over to here. And now we are here. And we got the goods. All 100 of them. 103 actually. They usually add a few extras in there. All right, time to get on home. And they're here. Last time they'll be traveling in a car. You know, it feels so nice going back to doing chicks again. I mean, it's been, I can't even tell you how many months it's been since we got all of the rest of our meat birds gone through and processed. But it feels so nice to return to just little chicklets like these. And funnily enough, a couple days ago was actually the 1-year anniversary since we uploaded Chores and Chicks on this channel. So that was pretty cool. But I gotta say, we made a lot of changes and updates for the better with this new setup that we got going here, which really improved and expanded upon a lot of the things that we did last year. For example, we now have 2 brooder setups which we've housed 50 and 50 birds in, as opposed to 1 brooder setup like last year where we housed 100 in there at one time. Now they're all equally divided. They have a lot of space to run around in, and we have dual heat lamps so they can all stay warm, as well as a third one which is shining down usually around here, but it also just provides more heat and light to both of these. In addition, we've also changed the location. This is actually where we stored most of our feed for the chickens. As you remember seeing in like Jobs in January, we had all the feed barrels lined up here. We also had pellets for our pellet stove right around here. We burned through all of those, seeing how it's spring and summer. We don't really need pellets for that, so we moved them in here, and this is our cool room side. This is where we keep all of our meats cool and our chickens cool when we're during processing season. But we just moved them into here, the feed side. We moved all the feed barrels out into the big garage, or the barn. where we store basically all the heavy machinery that we use, and we just put them here for right now. As well, we also built these supports to raise them up a little bit, and we can also store other things. As you can see right there, we have some bedding and two cooling fans. So we have improved on a lot of things with our setup, so hopefully this will work much better. But in short, 2025 farm season has begun. We're gonna keep you posted on new updates and changes with these guys, but for right now, that's all I have to say. So before I end this video, I'll of course show you more of the footage of the baby chicks, because no one can ever get enough of them, even me. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me, at least, and I'll see you on the next one.